Alright, of course, for family picture of our birthday celebrant, may I call Daddy, together with Ate, Kuya, and birthday celebrant. Alright, picture taking na lang po tayo sa gitna. Alright, for our safety reminder, bawal po natin tulakin at hampasin si Kuya Grenades. Alright, picture taking po tayo. One more time! And of course, bago na lang ako po i-blow ulit ang kanyang candle, marinig naman po natin ang birthday wish coming from the